Here's how we can make an assignment in a PDF on the iPhone. Let me show you the ways we can work with PDF files. If you are new here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So it depends if you want to start from scratch, like from a blank page and create a PDF assignment with, from nothing and just fill it up yourself. In which case, the best way would be to set up the Pages app if you don't have it on your phone already, which I think you should because it's like part of the phone by default, but you can get inside of the Apple Pages app. It is free and there is no cost or hidden subscription or anything like that. And you have the ability to click on the plus button to start a new page, right? So that is like a new document that you are creating, right? So you can choose a template or start from a blank page. And obviously right here, you fill up all of the details and information that you need, whatever. But the whole point is that you can export it in the PDF format. So the way that it would work is that you have the ability to click on the share and you can tap on the export and send button, which is going to give you the selection of the file type. So you can choose a format. Most likely people export the Word or EPUB for audiobooks, but naturally we have the PDF as well. So if you have like nothing to begin with and you're starting from scratch, this is the best way to come up with the PDFs. On the other hand, if you already have like a PDF and you need to fill out some details or sign it, add information, whatever, the best way would be to locate that file on your device, likely part of the Files app, and then open it through the preview application. So in here, we have the ability to fill up the text, add more text fields, move it around, add even a signature and so on. So this is a nice way to fill out the existing PDF document, which might be on your phone already. So that is how it would work. I really hope that I could help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, your support, and I'll see you in the next tutorials too.